Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about adding polynomials. Let's proceed to our video tutorial on adding polynomials. Alright. Okay, let's proceed to our next example. So for example, we're going to add these two polynomials. So in order for us to add polynomials, we're going to combine like terms. Let's write our first polynomial. Our first polynomial is 3x cubed plus 7x squared plus 6x. Okay, now this is our first polynomial and it will be added to our second polynomial. Our second polynomial is 2x cubed plus 6x squared plus x minus 3. We will align them to their similar or like terms. So 2x cubed, we will align it to 3x cubed, so it will be 2x cubed. 6x squared, we will align it to 7x squared. And x will be aligned to 6x, so plus x. And then negative 3, since it doesn't have any partner, we will just place negative 3 here. So this number doesn't have a partner. Now that we have or we know the like terms that we will add, we will now combine our similar terms. So let's start with the first one, 3x cubed plus 2x cubed, that will be 5x cubed. 7x squared plus 6x squared, so that will give us 13x squared. So add the coefficient, copy the variable. So 6x plus x, that will be, remember that there is an invisible 1 here. So 6 plus 1, that will be 7. And then copy the variable x. Then last one, negative 3 doesn't have any partner, so we will just bring down negative 3. So negative 3. And that is it. The sum of this two polynomial will be 5x cubed plus 13x squared plus 7x minus 3. Alright, so this is our final answer. Ta-da! And that is it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave it in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, please go to my channel, Teacher Justin. Okay, that's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.